Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin pie paper squishy using only plastic bags. So this is a great paper squishy DIY if you don't have any stuffing. And yeah, let's just get into this. So this is how my paper squishy turned out. I think it turned out really good considering I only used plastic bags for it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys try this out too. Bye!